Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with the October Boxycharm base box unboxing and review. I'm actually not trying on everything, but I will be trying on a handful of products that came in the box this month. I'm really impressed with Boxycharm. You totally get your money's worth and then some by a long shot. For 25 bucks a month, you get 5 full-size products sent to you. I spent $25 on this month's box, and the full retail value is, I gotta do the math. That's a future me's problem, is basically what that is. If you're curious to try Boxycharm, check down in the description box below, and my referral link is there. This is not sponsored. I just get points if you use my referral link. I can talk. Good morning. We're just gonna jump right into it. I am cleansed, moisturized, primed, ready to go. The first couple products that I'm going to be trying today, which I just really want to point out that they came in this little sack. And I have a couple beauty sponges. They're already pre-dampened. Yeah, so this is the Hip Dot Color Changing Sponge Duo. Watch it expand to twice its size when it's wet. Creates buildable makeup application with minimum product waste. This retails for $18. I'm gonna go ahead and do concealer first. So I'm gonna be using the smaller one with concealer. I am using a little sample, like small size concealer. This is the Yensa Skin on Skin BC concealer. I have used this concealer as like a full coverage foundation, but not really like full coverage, just like full face. It's like, it's perfect, like lightweight, like summer product. It's almost gone, so. Wow, this is a really nice sponge and is the perfect size to fit under the eye. That's really seamless. That is a seamless blend. That is beautiful. I'm going to get a lot of use out of that sponge. I'm going to assume that the large one will act the same. It feels like the same material. The foundation that I'm using today is by IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC+, blah blah blah, SPF 50 bullshit. Why is my coffee on the other side of the fucking room? Oh my god, yes. Oh, this is wonderful. Yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. And I realized that the sponges I've been using recently, I've had for a year at this point, and they're still in really great shape. I got those at Target, and they seem to be fine, but I wash them before each use. So it's not like they're like super contaminated or whatever. I totally got foundation in my hair, it's fine. This is beautiful. This is absolutely stunning. I'm really impressed with this. I think once I get done with using all of the products, that's when I'll talk about the products that I'm not using today. So I'm going to go off camera and I will see you for the next step.
It's nice.
Okay, so moving on to the next step. Haha, I have this beautiful freaking palette here. This is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bitch Face palette. A beautiful selection of rosy blushes, sun-kissed bronzers, creamy glowing highlighters, buildable shades, great color payoff, blend out like a dream, developed for a wide range of skin tones, and perfect for contouring your face. The retail value is $32. Yeah, this is honestly one of the better face palettes that I have seen recently. I'm gonna go ahead and go into blush first. I'm actually gonna be combining, I'm gonna be combining both of these blushes. I'm gonna be using the matte one first and layering it with the other one. They are definitely buildable. So now I'm going to be layering these two bronzers. This one is of course more of a matte, and this one does have some shimmer. But yeah, I'll put the shimmer bronzer here and the matte like all around. This definitely has some kick up, but it works very well. Really like diffusing the 5 head. Jumping in with the highlighter now. Up here. That's nice. That's really nice. Holy shit. Ooh, yeah. The final product that I'm trying on is a lip product, which I don't usually get excited for lip products, but you'll see why. Sol de Janeiro, Brazilian Kiss tinted I don't know what the fuck that word is. Lip butter. Soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of cupuaçu, butter, acai, and coconut oils. Jesus fuck. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with the scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche. This retails for $20. I'm really excited for the packaging. Like, this is actually upside down. This is the lid, and yeah. So it's not super tinted, little glossy, and that's it. 2 more things to talk about, and we are freaking done, beaches. So I have this is the Grown Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer, Acai Berry Borogo. Borogo! What the fuck is that? Okay, so retailing at $69. 69. A lightweight moisturizer that hydrates facial skin. Facial skin. 69. Facial. While balancing the skin's oil levels, leaving skin with a matte finish and increased clarity. I don't need to open up this moisturizer right now, but it will be on backup, ready to go. And lastly, fucking big bitch, man. Holy shit. Almost 7 ounces of frickin' cleanser. This is the Murad. Aha, Baha, AHA, BHA, Aha, Baha. Aha! Exfoliating cleanser, multitasking cleansing exfoliant, ideal addition to your cleansing regimen 2 to 3 times a week. This will be on backup for a little bit because I am drowning in exfoliation. It helps clear dull, dry skin and improves penetration. Why is everything perverted right now? Of treatment ingredients that follow. It also helps optimize skin ability to attract and hold moisture. Everything sounds really perverted. Hi, do you want to say hello? Look at this little guy. Oh, look at the camera. Look at him. Okay, good boy. I love you. Everything's perverted. We have reached the end of this video. Happy Boxycharm Day. As I said at the beginning of this video, if you are interested, I have cat hair on me and it's tickling. Haha, I got it, you little fucker. Anyway, as I said in the beginning of this video, my affiliate link and code will be in the description box below. Random plug. There's also an option for add-ons with Boxycharm. However, at this point, today is Sunday, October 11th. I just got my box yesterday and add-ons go live tomorrow, which is Monday. My tomorrow, whenever this goes up, I don't know. But the add-ons do come later. And then every like 3 months, there's a Boxy pop-up shop, which there's even more products at a seriously discounted price. So yes, you have your base box at a minimum, but there are also opportunities to purchase some really high-end products at a super cheap price. We have officially reached the end of this video now, so yeah, be sure to like and subscribe, please share, and until the next one.